You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these names, as well as how to say more interesting names of famous cities and places in Italy, so make sure to stay tuned to the channel. In Italian, this city is known as Padua, Padua, but in English it is said two different ways, either Padua, Padua, or Padua, the second one being more the American English pronunciation, Padua or Padua. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.